Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is my slingshot. There is much honey bees. This forest is the and okay, see you my shotgun. This is my weapon. Look this. I will made this slingshot and I will go to the forest and honey the found the honey and any animals and look, this is the evening time. This is a very dangerous forest and the season it is the uh, winter. Look this, they're much, they're big tunnel is the living is the tiger here and this is no anyway tiger and I find it looking that I will shotgun, please silent.